Hi everybody, so today I'm going to do the unboxing of Papercraft Society. This is kit number 31. Like I said, I am completely behind with these. This is already available. It went out to subscribers. People are enjoying and creating with it. But from when I'm doing this video, there is still open stock available. So if anybody's, as I always say, new to the channel, maybe you're just getting into paper crafting, kits are sometimes a really good way or place to start because they have everything you need, apart from maybe like adhesives, scissors, things like that. But most of it is in there for you to get crafting. So this one is in partnership with Mental Health UK, and it's been designed by the lovely Lou Withers. So she does her mindful moodling, so there's lots of doodles. I believe it's all of her own designs as well. So you've got a really colourful box here, so it gives me a good idea of what's inside. So take your mind for a stroll from Lou. So we'll look in the envelope first, and then we'll look inside the tissue in a moment. So we've got some more nice detail, and you can see a mindful moodling there, and it says Lou W. You can share all your makes, hashtag Papercraft Society. And then she said, lose yourself in colour, free the inner artist, and live life like a rainbow. So we've got two stamp sets. So you can see this lovely big panel here, and then these are all individual strips of doodles. You see you've got hearts, little dots, and then all other designs there. I think this one's nice. That'd look really cool, heat embossed. I could see that in an underwater card, because I think it'd look quite good for like bubbles or something. And then this one, you've got some larger stamps. You've got a big kind of corner stamp here. I've not got anything like that. I've never seen anything like that before. I really like that. I know Lou does a lot of journaling, so she'll use probably this in her journals and stuff. So that would be like the corner of a page, for example. But I could see that on a scrapbook layout as well. Then you've got this leaf and large circle here. So depending on the theme or what it is that you are creating, you know, you can colour this however you want. You've got like a flower, smaller one there, and here. And then you've got sent with love and smile. So really unusual, something very different. Then we've got two stencils. So we've got large raindrops. There's that one there. And then this one here, you've got swirls. And then you've got this different kind of design there. There's an inspiration booklet, so we'll have a look at that in a moment so I can see exactly how Lou's kind of used this. Then you've got your pattern papers. So this looks like the paper inside the envelope. So again, nice sky or, you know, sea themed one there. That's gorgeous. I love those colours. And then we've got some backgrounds that I would have thought Lou's created for you. This looks like it's used a gel plate, and that was in the Pretty Gets Gritty kit. So you could always use that with this. That's gorgeous. Love that one. And then this one here, yeah, a lot of these look like what you would create using your media plate. You've got that one that looks like alcohol inks or watercolour, maybe, where it's all bled. And you've got this one. Got that one there. God, you've got quite a few. This cool one, it's quite grungy. And then we've got this here, which has got some toppers done. So we've got live in colour, live life like a rainbow, create, take 5 for yourself. So it's all about relaxing. You know, it's, like I said, in partnership with Mental Health UK. And we all know how crafting is good for the soul. Any kind of crafting, whether it's, you know, painting, making a card, scrapbook layout, and just doodling. And that's what Lou's kit's all about. Free your inner child, free the inner artist. So there you've got all those papers. There's lots there. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that you've got 10. And then let's see what's in the tissue. Okay, so we've got a black ink cube, we've got a paintbrush, and then we've got 2 bottles of coloured ink. Now we've had bottles before. I think it was in the Lou Collins kit. And then we've got this, which is it a key ring? I think it might be to keep your stencils on, only because I'm looking at this here. Right, let's see. So we've got, so this looks like watercolour card. It's got a tooth to it. It's got texture, so I'm guessing it's watercolor to be able to handle the inks. So we'll see what it says in the book in a second. Now these could be templates. Yeah, you take them all apart, so you've got lots of different templates, and there's holes in this, so it might be for that. But if you take them all apart, oh yeah, you could, yeah, they're all gonna sit through the link there. So you've got all your different circles you can draw around these. Then we've got, it feels a bit spacey, this one. You've got ovals. I'm taking it this is what you're meant to do. This is typical Sam, just go straight in. And then you've got these here, so I keep all these in a little envelope inside, but that's obviously the stencil there to create those shapes. You've got your large circle there as well, so obviously keep all that. And then this one here, you've got the kind of raindrops. Hopefully you can see this okay, but they're all going to go on that keyring. I'll put it all together in a moment. Wait, I'll probably say in the book, do not take them apart. No, I'm pretty sure you do. Yeah, and then you've got obviously those big stencils there as well, but there is the hole punched in the corner there, so I'm guessing it is to keep them all on here. Then we've got, this looks like a sticker sheet. Yeah, it's got little stickers there, oval stickers, ovals and circles. So again, I imagine you lay these down, create a design, then peel them off, and then you'll have open space. So lots of cool little bits there, nothing like I've had before, and this is why the kits are really nice, because they introduce you to things that you may not think to do, and yeah, it's just nice to try different things. So this is the lovely Lou, really colourful, love all this, anything with colour has always got my attention. So you've got a little introduction there from Lou, everything that's inside the kit here, and then you start to get your inspiration. So that's a lovely one, using the florals and the backgrounds. Again, there's that large one there. Yeah, see, she's done it in blue as well, so it gives me that kind of underwater feel. There's a big circle there, so that looks like it's been made with like this one, and then maybe that one in there, or, you know, cut around that. Love all the leaves and stuff there as well. This one's been designed by Rachel. And an interview with Lou, how you can watch Lou as well, her social channels. And this one's been designed by Emma. Oh, okay, so so she's cut around the outer lines for each one, and that's those shapes here. So they're all stencils for you to use however you like. You can see there how she's created that background. And there's some more, but I'm not going to show you it. I love that one. That's probably harder to see, but when you look closer, it's all those rings, and they're probably layered up. Probably quite a bit of dimension to that one actually as well. So just something very, very different. Like I said, there is a little bit more in there, but I don't want to show you all. But let me just go back to see. If you go to the index here, it tells you. So what have we got there? So watercolor cardstock and sticker sheets. 8 sheets of watercolor cardstock for your moodling, and 2 sheets of circle stickers. So there we go. So just pop those all on, and then you just screw it back up. And these ones I'll just pop inside the envelope so I don't lose them, because I reuse those boxes for posting. But there you go, they're all safe now. I'm not going to put those cards on because it would be too full, but that's really pretty. I love that. And I guess you could pop that on something else if you wanted to as well. So that's everything inside Kit 31 from the Papercraft Society. As I always do, the links directly to this box will be in the description box below, along with another link which will take you to the Papercraft Society. And that's where you'll be able to see all the different kind of subscriptions that are on offer. You can do monthly, you can do quarterly, 6 monthly and yearly, which works out cheapest. But there's also open stock, and you can pause your subscriptions as well. So if there's maybe a box one month that you're not particularly liking, because you can have a preview of what's to come, then you can pause your subscription and then, you know, pick it back up again when you see the next one. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.